Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The Honorable Penny Pritzker, United States Secretary of Commerce, Senator Muhammad Ishaq Dar, Minister for Finance, Government of Pakistan, Khurram Dastagir Khan, Minister for Commerce, Government of Pakistan, Ambassador Richard Olson, Mr. Daniel Feldman, Senior Representative for Afghanistan and Pakistan, ladies and gentlemen, it is a matter of immense pleasure for me to raise the curtain on the Pakistan-United States Economic Partnership Week, whose highlight is the Pak-US Business Opportunities Conference, third in its series, but significant by being the first to be held in Pakistan. The Economic Partnership Week reaffirms the commitment that President Obama and I made during my visit to Washington in October 2013. It is the commitment of two democracies to deepen our economic engagement by expanding trade and investment. I appreciate the presence of Secretary Pritzker and commend her for leading the United States government delegation to this important event. Secretary Pritzker's visit has boosted confidence of businesses and investors from the United States and Pakistan to contribute to our shared prosperity. I am confident that her leadership of the Economic Partnership Week will open new avenues of trade and investment cooperation between our two nations. The common commitment of both our countries to an expanding role for private sector-led growth and job creation provides a wealth of opportunities for growing trade and investment between Pakistan and the United States. I am delighted to note that these opportunities are being seized with the support and encouragement of both governments. Ladies and gentlemen, relations with the United States constitute an important element of Pakistan's foreign policy. This relationship, spanning more than 6 decades, is robust and wide-ranging. Over the past 68 years, our two nations have traveled a long distance together as friends and allies in defense of freedom and in pursuit of international peace and security. Besides shared history, we are bound by a shared commitment to democracy. On 28 February 1948, in a letter addressed to the first ambassador of the United States of America to Pakistan, the father of the nation, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, wrote, "The historic fight for self-government by your people and its achievement by them, the consistent teaching and practice of democracy in your country had for generations acted as a beacon light and had in no small measure served to give inspiration to nations like us, who were striving for independence and freedom from the shackles of foreign rule. This is a testament to the high regard the founder of Pakistan had for the democratic values of the American people." Democracy has registered significant achievements in Pakistan, not least the first peaceful constitutional transfer of power between two elected governments in May 2013. The institutions and traditions of our democracy are evolving positively. Elected legislatures in the center and the provinces are asserting their primacy. The judiciary is independent. The media is free. There is lively dissent and wide-ranging debate on public issues. Democracy is strengthened by the energy of the market that creates growth and employment, and the freedom of the marketplace cannot be preserved except through constitutional democratic politics. Laws provide for freedom of association, religious belief and practice, and for protection of private property and fundamental human rights, including those of women and minorities. The rule of law, a precondition for democratic development, has taken root in Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, economic revival has been an important pillar in policy strategy of our government. Over the past 1.5 years, Pakistan's economy has turned the corner and has made significant progress. According to economic forecast by international financial institutions, Pakistan's economy can look forward to steady growth in the coming years. Moody's has raised Pakistan's economic outlook from negative to positive. In a sign of confidence in present government's policies, overseas Pakistanis have increased their remittances, and Karachi Stock Exchange has been one of the best performing stock markets in the world and closed at record high in January this year. Pakistan's rising foreign exchange reserves have stabilized the external liquidity position. Pakistan achieved 10-year GSP plus trade concessions from the European Union, which in their first year, 2014, have raised Pakistan's exports to the European Union by 20%. Pakistan is leading several strategic initiatives to build trade, energy, and communication corridors linking South Asia, West Asia, Central Asia, and China. Regional integration will accelerate economic growth and prosperity in this part of Asia and beyond. Distinguished participants, we have made these economic gains in the face of grave challenges of energy shortages and violent extremism. My government attaches the highest priority to the energy sector. The United States is a valuable partner in our quest for energy security. More than 1,700 megawatts have already been added to the national grid. Work is in progress on several major hydropower and hydrocarbon projects, and we hope to relieve energy shortages substantially by the end of 2017, inshallah. Despite the escalating human and economic costs, our resolve to fight violent extremism is ironclad. We are convinced that the modern and progressive Pakistan envisioned by Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah cannot be realized without decisively defeating the menace of terrorism. We have demonstrated our resolve, starting with the Karachi operation in September 2013, then the Operation Zarb-e-Azb in June 2014, and finally the comprehensive National Action Plan launched in December 2014 in the aftermath of gruesome attack on school children in Peshawar. Ladies and gentlemen, the United States has been a valuable partner in Pakistan's endeavors for national development and for regional peace, stability, and prosperity. A broad-based, stable, and enduring Pakistan-US partnership founded on the principles of mutual respect and mutual interest is of paramount importance. I compliment the Ministry of Commerce and the US government for their efforts towards organizing this event. I encourage participants from both countries to avail this opportunity towards creating important business linkages and working towards our mutual goal of enhanced trade and investment partnership with the United States of America. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Pakistan, Paindabad.